Hi guys, this video is about this item, alarm clock wireless charger unboxing. You can buy this one from the Amazon. If you are interested in this item, we will have gift for you. Please watching our video. We will tell you how to get it at the end of this video. Let's unbox with this multifunctional item. We can check here with the wireless function, the light function, the clock function. Also, you can light up to adjust the phone charging rate. Just like this. Okay, let's have to open it. We can see here with a bag with the logo, a card with the brand information, the manual, the user manual to guide us how to use it. The product, the cable. We can check the wireless charger can support 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt, 15 watt. That means this item can support the quick charge function. To achieve this function, we need to use the adapter over 80 watt. Is the Type-C cable. Here with the LED indicator lights up about 5 seconds. Is the can control the line. Okay, let's set up the time. Here with 3 buttons. We just need to double click this M button. You can check the hour is flash, and you just need to click these 2 buttons to adjust this one. Click 1 time this M to confirm. Okay, now it's turned to the million. It's then click these 2 buttons to adjust. Click 1 time the N button to confirm. Now it's finished. Let's set up the alarm clock. Just need to click 1 time the M. Now the hour is flash now. Need to adjust the hour by these 2 buttons. Click the N to confirm. Okay, now it's turned to the minute. It's then just need to click these 2 buttons. If you want to double check the setting, you just need to click this M one time. Okay, this AM, this 8 o'clock. If no need to change this one, just need to click one time the AM. This M button. Okay. It's white. Let's test charging. Here is the Huawei phone. Okay. Also, we can open it to adjust the panel. You can charging and watching the movie or TV at the same time. Because different phone, the coin with different place, so you can adjust this one to pair with the phone cords to charging. How do you think about this design? If you are interested in our item, please follow us and leave your review. Just need to have 10 likes. We will send your item for gift to Tesla. Thank you for watching.